More unrehearsed YouTube videos. This time I've got a piece of spark plug wire, or with the insulation cut off of it, hooked up to an old metal ruler, and I'm using it as a pitch control for the oscillator for this guitar thingamawhat's that I'm going to be building. That's the original circuitry there, but if I turn it on, I don't know if you can hear that, I might turn it up a bit. Okay. I know my desk is in a mess, there's no need to point that out. Hold on, a bit tricky with one hand. Now that's mag wire, I believe it's called. Let's turn that down. It's actually, I think it's some sort of nichrome wire, very fine, incredibly fine, about 100 ohms a meter, wound up incredibly tightly on a solid core. Now that also has insulation on the outside of it, so I've had to use a scouring pad thing to get the wire bare, and then that didn't quite get it all the way up here, though that's what that cutout was, but it is working quite well. And of course you get all the filters and everything. I can't play it with the plucking bit with one hand. Okay, I'm not going to demonstrate that, but I don't know if anyone else has thought of using spark plug wire as a ribbon controller. I get worried when I say that because it usually means I haven't done my research properly, or someone else has tried it and they haven't bothered to upload it on the internet. Yeah, I'd like to know if anyone's actually tried it before. Anyway, something to ponder over. Almost forgot to mention how it works. The resistor which I'm using to control the pitch is this one, and that's just simply cutting from very low ohms to very high ohms. The further away you are from the cutoff point, which is on the ruler here, will be down this end, the more resistance you have, and therefore the lower the frequency, because it's a feedback resistor. And then that just goes into a current mirror, if I can get this piece of paper right, goes into a current mirror, and this controls your pitch here. This is a variable resistor, so it can be pitch control on the end of the neck. Then you just put that into a 555 timer with a capacitor. Obviously they'd be joined, I'll just put them separately so you get a rough idea of what's going on. And 555 put a buffer onto that point there, and you get your sawtooth waveform. Anyway, I'm sure I'll answer any questions via email or in the YouTube comments. Thanks.